In this video we're going to look at E604 error. This is normally an error you'd see at power up. So when you first turn on the unit you'll see the initialization screen all 00, and normally within about 20 to 30 seconds this should change to 01 to tell me that I can see my outdoor unit, and my outdoor unit is powered and the cable between the two units is in good condition. In this case we've actually deliberately killed the power to the outdoor unit to show this problem. If I wait long enough, after 6 minutes, this display will change from 00 and E604 will show here. It basically means go and check your outdoor unit is switched on and go and check that the cable is good between the two. Let's go and have a quick look at the outdoor unit now. If I take off the front cover and have a look inside, you'll see there are no lights anywhere, nothing is lit up. This is because the outdoor unit has been switched off. So if we switch it on again, we should see some life. As soon as we power up the unit, you'll see it flashing AD, which is addressing. It's trying to see its indoor unit, and within a couple of minutes it will sort itself out and you'll see 0000 flashing. When we go inside we'll be able to clear the error and everything will be fixed.